You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. Today I'm putting together this little snack stand that I picked up at Sam's. I have a little bowl that I keep on this little wooden counter for snacks, but it's just not big enough. So I'm still going to use that too, but I'm going to use this as well. So if you're looking for anything like this, I got this at Sam's Club and it was like $25-ish, I think. And it was really bigger than I thought it would be. So if you're looking for something like that, check that out. So today I'm just picking up some things, making the girls' beds, doing some laundry, all those things. I'm restocking the fridge, just putting some drinks in here, and just getting some things together for the week ahead. It just goes so much better if everything's organized and laid out for you and done. So it does for us anyway. So this is what we're doing. We're just going to be running around the house, picking things up and making some beds, and not too much deep cleaning because it's not too bad.
It's too late not to let it go, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. Start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it up. Say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it.
So my kids were out of school Friday, so we had a pretty long weekend. So we did pick up a little bit here and there and get some things done, and so the house wasn't in too bad of shape. Kennedy, her car wouldn't start when, I think it was Friday night or Thursday night, and her battery cable was loose. And then Reagan said she thought her battery was bad, so we checked hers and it was. So we got her a new battery and windshield wipers and a headlight and got her oil changed and filled it up with gas. So yeah, we've had a pretty productive weekend, I guess, doing some things that just needed to be done that we've just put on the back burner. And we got our garage door opener fixed. It was just that part that I was telling y'all about. So yeah, that was good. But yeah, we've had a relaxing weekend, not too many exciting things going on, no softball or anything like that, and it's been kind of rainy here, so it's been nice just to hang out and rest and just not worry about too much.
You know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide. Surfing on a wave of good feelings. Well, it's just another Friday in paradise. So bring your A game, cause you know this party won't stop. We could never run out of time, sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you. Bass is going boom boom. Baby, if you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over, we can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide. Water slide. It's getting kinda crazy up in here. Got that DJ playing music everybody wants to hear, yeah. It's getting kinda crazy up in here. Everybody wants a ride in the water slide. 3, 4. Baby, if you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over, we can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide. Water slide.
Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late, but I just can't get my eyes off you. Maybe we.
So this sink was disgusting. We had wings last night, so there was some barbecue sauce and buffalo and ranch and just all the nastiness in this sink. So I gave that a good scrub. And Heather was like, do you want me to just carry the camera around and film you? And I was like, sure, that sounds great, because it's hard to get good angles sometimes. So yeah, she was videoing here. So I really appreciate that help from her.
Put on my favorite song, I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, ooh, let's turn up the love. Might have been one too many. Should go home to my bed, sleep it off. But I can't stop believing you're the one I'ma be with tonight.
So don't you wish it was that easy in real life, just to open a door and close it and open it back up and that room be clean? That would be nice, wouldn't it? But I just picked up in there and wiped a few things down, nothing major. And that bathroom's so small, it's hard to get a good angle. So I just thought I would throw that in there. Anyway, you at least see that it's picked up. But in here, I'm just making Kennedy's bed and picking some things up and just the usual things. But one of her pillowcases was inside out. You'll see it in a second. And I just looked at it and I was like, do I want to pull that pillow out and flip it right side out, or do I want to leave it? And I just left it because I was just not feeling it on this day.
I've been dreaming about a life, a house, a dog, the whole shebang. I want you there right by my side, baby, please, to hold me tight throughout the night. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. Oh, hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Oh, yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, I keep my fingers crossed. Oh, yeah, it's on. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move? Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Cause I don't care.
So Allison's bedroom wasn't extremely bad on this day. Kennedy actually came up a couple days ago and took all of her dishes down. Heather was like, we've got some dishes missing and I know they're in Allison's room. Kennedy, will you go get them for me? So Kennedy was like, Mom, you better fuss at her. You better fuss at her for doing that. And I was like, Kennedy, worry about yourself. So that's why you didn't see the dishes. But I just made her bed and then brought her clothes down. So yeah, and she needs new blinds. You've probably seen that I was struggling with those. There's a string broke on her blinds and I really need to replace those because those drive me crazy.
Keep bouncing away like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. I used to let it in, all the things you said. You try to turn me in. You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold.
So the last thing we're doing is the living room, because if I do this first, Flash will have all his toys dragged back out and he'll have a mess in here. So I just went ahead and did this room last. So we just were picking up his little toys, and you can see Chip up in the hammock by the door. He's so cute in the hammock. I think I get a close-up of him in a minute, so you'll see him. But I would put toys in his basket and he would get them straight back out. Seriously, it's a struggle with him, but he is so cute. But he does know that when we're cleaning like this, that the vacuum cleaner is fixing to come out. So you'll see him in a few minutes. He's so cute. He's getting to where he's not as afraid of it, and he doesn't bark at it as much, but he is a barking dog. He will drive you nuts if you let him. But I hope this video gives you some motivation to get up, and you don't have to just deep clean every day, all day. You don't have to do that. This day, we probably didn't spend 30 minutes on all of this, seriously. We just picked up what needed to be picked up, and that was it. I didn't sweep, I didn't mop, I didn't dust, I didn't do any of the things. I just did the basic, and that's okay. So I've got all week to do the rest of it. It'll be sitting here waiting on me.
I've been feeling stuck here lately. Think I might be going crazy. Your song on repeat on my radio. Your song on repeat on my radio. Now you've been away for so long, and I've been fighting feelings so strong. Your song on repeat on my radio. Your song on repeat on my radio. I need to get out. You're all I think about. My head in the clouds. With you I was bouncing off the walls, but now I'm on the floor. Why did you let me go? I want something new, because everywhere I look here I see you. And you point of view, all the memories and all the things we used to do. Now I hate your favorite movie. Can't believe you did that to me. Your song on repeat on my radio. Your song on repeat on my radio. I need to get out. You're all I think about. My head in the clouds. With you I was bouncing off the walls, but now I'm on the floor. Why did you let me go? I want something new, because everywhere I look here I see you. And you point of view, all the memories and all the things we used to do. Shouting from the rooftops, every time the beat comes, always on repeat like. Shouting from the rooftops, every time the beat drops, always on repeat like.
I hope this gave you all some motivation to get up and to get your house straightened up and to get some things organized for the week ahead, because it will help make your week run so much more smoothly. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And if you don't care to like and subscribe, that would be great. And I will see you guys in the next one.
Point of view.